Alrighty folks, good evening everyone. As y'all can clearly see, we have a low beam headlight out on the good old Honda. It's going to be this one right here, the one up in the top part of it, as you can see it's out. So since those go out automatically, we're going to go ahead and put y'all on the tripod. I'm going to show you how to replace it without even having to pop the hood. So everybody hop on the tripod and pay attention. Two pins out to do it. There's one here and one here. Mine's already missing this one. As a matter of fact, that's the one I think I'm going to put back. I think I'm going to use this one for that. So just loosen these clips. Pull those out. And then you can't actually get up in there, but you can feel up in there and you can get to the bulb. Just pull that back, reach up in there, find it right there. You can kind of see it. Give it a twist. Out she comes. Boop. Take it off. Bam. We got a brand new one right here. I'm gonna show you a little better in a second where it's at. As you can see, that one's clearly fried. Little pieces rattling around in there. So that one's done. Got a brand new H11 55 watt, which is exactly what this is. H11 55 watt. See, H11 55 watts. This one's also H11 55 watts. So same thing. So we'll go ahead and pop that open. I think I already had a H11 too, but oh well. Now I got an extra. Pop that in there. That's trash. Now we take our clip, take our wire harness, and clip in our new one. Right there, just like that. Take it and clip it in. Get that snap. Pull your cover off the end. And just put it back in there. Be real careful not to touch the end of the bulb, because the oils on your hand will actually can mess it up. You just want to fish it right back into that hole that it came out of. Up in there nice and even where it sits flat, and give it a turn. Boop. You can feel it snap into place. Make sure it's in there good. And I'll show you all where it's at real quick so you can actually see it. It's hard to see, especially not with the best of light, but yeah. You couldn't see it either way, but yeah, look up in there. You see it? Right there? See that little green dot? That's it. So you can reach up in there. See, it's not hard to get to as long as you don't have too big of hands. And you can just get it and swap it out like I just did right there. Pulling just those clips out. Then you want to put your clips back in. I know I'm supposed to have 2 clips, but I've only got the one, so I'm just going to put it in right here. and we're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. That's how you replace a headlight on a 2011 Honda Accord. Let's turn it on, make sure it works. Look at that, folks. 2 good headlights. Can't beat that. Alrighty, everybody. Y'all have a wonderful evening.